Hello everyone, thank you for joining us today. We are from Group 18. Today we are excited to present our project on designing thinking. Here is quick overview of our presentation today. Now we will start from designing thinking process. Designing thinking is a user-centric approach to problem solving that involves 6 phases. They are empathize, define, ideate, prototype, test, and implement. We identified that university students struggle to find and keep track of relevant campus events. This often leads to missed opportunities and misengagement. Our goal was to find a solution to make event discovery and management easier for students. To understand the problem better, we conduct interviews with several fellow students. We ask questions like, what are the biggest challenges you face when trying to find out about campus events? What resources do you currently use to find events? What types of events are most interesting likewise? These questions help us gain valuable insight into their experience and needs. From these interviews, we discovered that students rely on word of mouth posters and university websites to find events, but these methods are often unreliable. They expressed a need for a centralized user-friendly platform that provides clearly and timely information about events. Students are particularly interested in events related to their major hobbies or social interest. These insights guided us in the ideation and prototyping phases to develop effective solutions. So now let's see problem statement. Over to you, Hiroshi.
Thank you, Tachini. In this slide, you can see the problem statement we built. It is, university students need a user-friendly and comprehensive event platform that provides timely and relevant information about campus events to help them stay engaged and make informed decisions. Moving on to the next slide, we brainstormed several solutions. Among them, following are the top solutions we brainstormed. The first one is a mobile app. It is a specialized mobile app with sharing options, filters, reminders, and event listing. The second one is an event management system. Students can RSVP to events and receive reminders through this, which make it simpler for them to organize and attend events. The another one is campus-wide calendar. It is an online calendar called that compiles activities from many departments and groups. Now I would like to invite Dulmini to continue the presentation. Over to you, Dulmini.
Thank you, Hiroshi. So as for the solution, we decided to build an app, and for the prototype, we build the UI for the mobile application. So basically, it's an application where the student of the university can save their events, upcoming events, as for their like. So without further ado, let's get into our UI. So yes, this is our UI for us in our solution. We named this as just Unixes. Let's get started. Yes. First, you have to sign up like this, and yeah, back, enter your confirmation code through your email, and you can add an event, create a new event here, or you can just skip it now. Let's just skip it. And here is our homepage. Here are the, we kept it pretty simple as we can. And here are the latest events. Those are the events that have been held. And these are the, as for the easiness of the students, we kind of categorize the upcoming events to webinars, examination, conferences, lectures, parties and DJs, and sports events. And as for the main upcoming events, we also add a space in the homepage. You can view them here. You can add to calendar here, save it, and you go back to the main event. And If we go to the categories, let's go to the webinar. As you can see, these are the upcoming webinars. And let's go back. And yes, sorry. Yeah, here you can go to your profile and we have notification, settings, privacy, health supports, logouts and stuff. But mainly you have your upcoming events. You can go to there and you can see the events that he or she have added, the student have added into their calendar. You can delete them if you want, if you're not going to attend or not interested anymore. You can edit it as you please. As you can see, these are the same one. We just wanted to add some things as the prototype. And here, as you can see, from the plus button, you can add an event like this and save it in the calendar just like that, and you will come back to the home page. So basically that's our UI application for the mobile, and Nipuni will explain the rest for you. Over to you, Nipuni. Thank you.
Thank you, Dulmini. After we designed the UI prototype, we then tested this prototype with 3 to 5 fellow students who hadn't been involved in the earlier stages. We observed how they used the app and asked questions about their experience, such as is the app easy to navigate? Can you find the information you need? What features do you find most useful? What improvements would you suggest? Likewise, we asked many more questions about the prototype to get the user feedback. From the user feedback, we found user appreciated the filtering feature, but some found it difficult to navigate. They wanted to add more specific filter such as events by department or events by interest. And also users wanted more information about each event such as a brief description, location and time. They also suggested including a save event feature to allow users to make events they are interested in attending. Another feedback from the customer, we identified that users like the idea of receiving reminders about upcoming events, but some were concerned about receiving too many notifications. They suggested allowing users to customize their notification preferences. By analyzing these user feedbacks, we made some improvements for our UI design. For discuss about that, I invite to Hansen. Over to you, Hansen.
Thank you, Unipin. Based on user research findings and suggestions, made a following improvement to the UI. First, we have simplified the UI by removing unnecessary elements and increasing white space and using more intuitive layout. It's make it easy for users to navigate and find what they are looking for. Next, we have enhanced the filtering features to make it more specific and user-friendly. We have added filters such as event by department, event by interest, and use clear labels and icons to make it easy to navigate. This allows users to quick find events that are relevant for them. We have also added more information, which events details pages, including brief descriptions, locations, also times. And we have included the save event features that allow users to make event they are interested in attending. This makes it easy for users to keep track and event they are want to attend. Finally, we have added the settings features that allow users to customize their notification preferences. Users can choose the frequency and type of notification they want to receive. Make it easy for them to stay on top of the event that are important for them. These enhancements have greatly improved the user experience for our mobile app. So this is our group members. Thank you.